on the project. In fact, the government has decided that even though there is some complication that is there with the donor ministry because of certain scope of work going down and certain estimates changing, which created a bit of confusion with the government of India, it led to delay in the project. Therefore, the state government had decided when we had the cabinet in July that we will fund the project till the time we get clarity from government of India on the funding pattern and whether they will continue to fund the Yamausia shopping complex. So in line with the decision which we took in the cabinet, we have already released 70 lakhs for the start of the work, and I think that should be happening anytime. And we have also further smoothened out the overall process in which the money and the funds will flow from the state government. Therefore, the process is very much online, and I think in a couple of weeks maybe the work will actually physically start. The funds have already reached the department concerned, and we will continue to now fund it and see that in a phase-wise manner we are able to complete this project, because it's a big project and it was not part of the state's budget, but still keep budget in the sense that it was not part of the state's direct state's expenditure. It was from the central government. So therefore, even though the financial challenges will be there, the commitment is there from our side to ensure that this project on a phase-wise manner, we will see that it is completed.